What up, gang? It's your boy two-time Moto TV, and I'm back with another video. Hopefully y'all are having a beautiful day, man. It's beautiful out here in North Carolina today. I'm at my place of employment or unemployment out here at the railroad. I'm currently unemployed at the moment, but you know, I'm about to bounce back from that. It was just a layoff. You know, the railroad had a big layoff. Let me get away from these tracks. I know how wide that train is. He probably beeping the horn for me or whatever, but yeah, man. As y'all seen the railroad behind me, it's a little yard out here, a little rail yard. And yeah, I used to work for Norfolk Southern and whatnot. But you know what, man, hopefully I can do the YouTube thing full time sometime soon. But I'm definitely gonna try to find some other means of employment right now. So I'm actually looking for other jobs. But yeah, man, with that being said, guys, check out the links below. I got the best selling products in my little market store down in the description. So it's a lot of things for mods for cars, universal mods. I know that one of the guys actually picked up something the other day. I wanted to shout out him. His name is on the screen right here. He actually picked up the OBD2 sensor. Not sensor, but the OBD2 reader, so you can check your check engine light. You can erase codes, and I believe you can minorly tune. I haven't messed with mine much, but I did, you know, use it for reading codes and erasing codes off in the car once I got everything done and replaced the parts. But yeah, man, there's a lot of car mods. There's the camera that I'm using right here, which is a Canon G7X Mark II. And also the GoPro Hero 7 that I use for moto vlogging, and sometimes I strap it to my head and do like DIY videos for the cars that you guys seen on my channel. So what I really wanted to talk about was how life changes when you hit 1,000 subs on YouTube, what it takes to get there. It took me about 9 months to get to 1,000 subs. I probably put out videos once or twice a week. Sometime I went a little bit longer than that, but yeah, usually I try to get 1 or 2 videos within a week and try to be consistent. So right now I'm gonna try to put out 2 to 3 videos. Nothing that I'm forcing. I'm not trying to force any videos to get out there for views or anything. So I'm just gonna vlog about stuff that I have on my mind as far as the cars, give you guys a little bit of action and entertainment and DIY vids. So other than that, man, I hit my milestone of 1,000 subs within about 9 months to a year, and nothing's really changed. My videos are monetized at the moment. The views and the ads are generating a little bit of revenue, but it's really not much because I'm still a small channel. But plan on growing this channel, and it's not all about the money, guys. I'm actually using all of the money that I will be getting from YouTube to dump into the cars to keep bringing you guys content and more videos and things of that nature. But other than that, nothing's really changed. It only took me 5 days to get monetized. And then when you guys do hit 1,000 subs, it'll say that it takes up to a month. I believe if that's only if you got like a lot of copyright content. You might want to delete that, but when you delete that, it brings down your watch hours. So you gotta get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers to become monetized on YouTube. So if you got a lot of copyright music or anything like that in your videos, then they will be raising a red flag up on your channel, and it may take a little bit longer for you to get monetized. But mine only took 5 days. I think I had like 1 or 2 copyright songs in it, which I'm trying to get away from that, trying to get away from copyright music. It makes the channel a lot funner to me when I do play music that I like, but you know, it's not going to generate any kind of income for me to be able to bring you guys content for this channel. But my store in the description will also generate income for the channel. So if you guys make your purchases below, I actually get commission off of it. But the products that you do see below are marked at the lowest price. That's the lowest price as I found everything, and I actually own all of the stuff that you see in the link in the description below. So you guys check that out, help me out with the channel. Hopefully I'll be getting some merch, which is shirts, toboggans, hats, any kind of clothing wear soon. Hopefully I get my own little clothing line on my YouTube channel, and that'll definitely help the channel out a lot. But yeah, for you guys that's starting out a channel, man, the only thing that I can tell you is to be consistent with what you're doing. Don't just do content because you seen somebody else do it and then try to repeat and copy it because they got a lot of views. It's really not gonna work out. The main 4 things, I believe it's 3 or 4 things that you need to know is when you're doing or when you're uploading your video, make sure that you have a pretty good thumbnail that will attract somebody to click on your video. That's number 1. Number 2, make sure that you have great tags. Your tags is what's gonna draw people to your channel when they click in those keywords. So say for instance, if your channel or your video is about superchargers on a car, you want to put in superchargers, pro charger, you know, you want to put different tags that resembles what your content is about, and that'll bring forth more views. Also, you want to have a good title, a good catchy title. Basically anything that you guys see when you click on videos, what draws you to that video is what's gonna draw people to your videos. That's the only thing you gotta do. You gotta think about your mindset when you going through watching YouTube, and you know, you clicking on videos that actually look good with the thumbnail and the title and everything like that. So that'll basically generate you some good views and whatnot. For me to have only 1,000 subs, well, 1,064 now, I'm getting a pretty decent amount of views. You know, I know that I know a ton isn't gonna come out of this right now, but you know, it is actually some pretty good views, yo. I do have a lot of dedicated people watching the channel, and I greatly appreciate that from you guys, man. So yeah, for me to be able to keep this channel running, make sure you guys are watching those ads. I know that some of them are skippable, but make sure that you guys watch those ads, yo, so that this channel can generate some income and I can be able to do a lot more to these vehicles. Some things I'll probably tear apart just to show you how to do it, but I gotta have the income for that. And like I said, currently I'm unemployed. I'm actually looking for work. Another thing, you need to have good content, which I'm not saying I always got good content, but I try to bring you guys the best and bring you guys some kind of knowledge in my channel. So no, I'm not doing no very entertaining stuff all the time as far as like pranking people and doing comedy and whatnot, but you know, I do bring a lot of knowledge videos for you guys that just don't know yet. Maybe like DIY videos for your cars, and maybe you was having the same problem that I was having. I know I do get a lot of comments saying, hey man, I greatly appreciate that, you know, that helped me out a lot. I had this problem for a long time, and you know, that definitely cleared everything up. So you know, that's a good thing to hear. My knowledge is your knowledge, and we all, you know, gain knowledge together. You guys actually help me all the time too, and tell me things that I can do better, or you know, I could have used a different approach to something that I did. So I believe I gave you 3 things, and yeah, that's about it. So you guys need to have a good title, good tags, good content, and a good thumbnail. So yeah, they are 4 things that you need to get a lot of views on your channel and to allow people to want to sub to your channel when you're actually doing it. So far, I don't know if I'm really supposed to tell you guys, but I mean, I don't know if it's against YouTube guidelines or not, but so far I believe I made like $20-some just off in the one video that I posted, which was the intro video to my channel. So far I made about $20-some from that, and that's not bad. So I can just imagine guys that have hundreds of thousands of subs, millions of subs, or which subs really don't matter, but hundreds of thousands of views and millions of views, man, how much that their channel is generating. That's how they're able to buy, you know, things that they need. Yeah, I'm gonna let them pass by, man. But yeah, I used to work for these guys here. Yeah, I don't know if y'all seen it. Yeah, man, that was my boy right there. But yeah, man, hopefully I get back with the railroad soon. I did apply for something. It's a lot better job than what I had for the railroad, which I was a conductor, so I was on a road train. I was always gone. I could barely give you guys any content when I was doing that. So hopefully this job that I applied for is a management position in the railroad, and hopefully I'll be home a lot more, and I just won't be on the road as much as I was. But yeah, it was a pretty fun job, guys. If you guys want to apply, it's norfolksouthern.com. Go online. They actually pay pretty freaking well, and there's really nobody you can talk to. The only thing is you put in your application, they'll review it, and then if they contact you, they may contact you through email. So just be looking out for your email when you do apply to them. I would want to say that this is really a job if you don't have like a huge family, like a bunch of kids, a wife, and like a bunch of home stuff. Like if you're a homebody, this is definitely not the job for you. But if you like to make a ton of money, then this is definitely the job for you. So you know, home is where really I want to be. That's why I'm kind of glad that I got laid off, because I do have a lot more home time, a lot more family time, a lot more time to actually think about me building my own business. So I may get up into real estate sometime soon. I'm still doing my homework on that. That's something that you guys might want to look into. Your real estate is really booming right now. So you guys look into real estate, and you guys can make a ton of money with that. But do your homework before you do anything. Don't make no purchases on no home thinking that you about to go in, flip the house because you a handyman, you know how to fix everything. That's really not how it works. You really need to do all your homework on expenses, the home market, the location of the home, the price of the home, and everything that's wrong with the home. So there are little key things that I, you know what I'm saying, throwing out there for you guys to do your homework on with that. But other than that, guys, I didn't want to make this video too long. I'm already at 12 minutes. So yeah, man, that's about it, man. I wanted to just bring you guys this video at a location that I'm familiar with, you know, my work area or whatnot, and let you guys know what 1,000 subs bring. And those speakers are getting shipped out this week to my man Mercury Lifestyle. You guys go and sub to him. He's also doing DIY Panther platform content, which is actually pretty good. So you guys go and check him out, and let's get his channel up off the ground. Let's get him to 1,000 subs. There's a bunch of other guys up there that I want to give shout outs to, but I'll put their name on the screen at the end of this vid. So yeah, man, two-time Moto TV out. Hope y'all have a blessed holiday, which Martin Luther King Day is Monday. Hopefully you guys have a blessed holiday, safe holiday. Love one another and gain knowledge, baby. That's what it's all about. So two-time Moto TV out, and until next time, peace. Yeah.